So kitang chamini. Adro sigi makas hamdar poina ujiki akoigi Irang sina handak chahi sida mo naga kuki marakte extend torp paja. Sigi extension torp pasida ujik laiba wahang amakha hai targati mamang da koi center na maruina union homes na mishana lok sabha raja sabha da thamgiba and also tongan media sing na thamgi matam man kuise purely ethnic violence ni jatiya hinsa ni nasli hinsa ni hai bo. Odu targati matam du da maduni high targati aru amusu high basi masi koi April ki tang ahum mari 2025 koi president's ki rule chana khamatung da madugi ko statutory keno se resolution se introduce torga pass tawna honar pa April ki tang ahum amadi mari 2025 se ja sida mangna parliament da thamki se Manipur da hujik lai ethnic violence se out of high court ki order do maram oiraga purely high court ki order maram orga ta ubani government ki failure sunate terrorism sunate religion su ke mari le nate ana high ki aduna maram oiraga tribal amadi non tribal ani ki marakta community bu pande tribal amadi non tribal ani ki marakta khanagi bani and high. Aru tarde adugi matam dosu media da sun narrative se kamai legi da tribal versus non tribal, ST versus non ST, majority versus minority, Hindu versus Christian na armane tor mehta hai. Adu hojikti 8 February 2026 matung naga kuki gi ani ki conflict se lakan dadi crisis lakan dadi masagi high court ki order dune high ke duribra masi majority versus minority ni high bi yari bra hojikti yaad re hai bagi wapam amsu lakam malu
adu da na moi na number 1 nang se part ani ni ko aina ama ni se moi se masagi hura manu oida ba chama ngang ye do magi maran se kupsan na one of the ama muhai du ne ba amung na misunderstanding ne muhai amung na illegal foreign element jaw in the floor of the house jo muhai ri ne ba misa du muhai dro community ma se ne muhai adegi city foreign nagi lak ne koi community na te muhai Hi, Rana. I the highlights in the Takudina. This is Aina Uba, the Nangi Chanakiagi, technicum lay, Mana Tauriba, Arun Basse. Taubayan of a Kupsan Bako. So it might have a CC and Tona Zilam Zemani Puzinoi, Purmasani and Tona Ziana, Trabako. Convince a woman of the music confused alone on level. You know, if you can't convince someone, then make him confusing. Aduki confusion the government of Indiana, Manipur ki miyam lai bising sina clear ubang am dana ba ting global na su mug yang salak ko matam da taw ise kai no ay macham sidana clear cut ubang am dana bane ba amuna foreign element me am chantana landara ko ne mu hai amuna community ne mu hai amuna high court ki kenu no thok ne mu hai
yes
say they are trying to create a confusion to cover up their own hidden
adu hujikti handak ti kari na cover up ta wata ki hana ari 92 98 ki duni hai ke dori bra
Twitter say I have written aina nang ai ke Twitter yeng obo ko na aina aita dan hai ke bane ba it's not only the failure of the government of India the level civil society sing to ne ba moi chu tongjan na narrative ma da tongjan na cover su kai lo I ba ai aina letter ga ma so ko ne la riam phong idana national media sing ka maina sandoki da nan jo do nungai rak na nang hai wa do I gram ne ba Twitter da no na majority minority tribal non tribal na narrative sagala ga dagi khulai pai ba ga mainstream politician ga khusam ne je furup ama ka da taina le ga atai de hog do ma am do ngasi tribal ma so thola ka everybody kept quiet I not eat them, but then pain than a go. I don't see it. This is my Kupsan by going. I get tribal, non tribal to Tolia. This is the time for us to expose false narrative.
Yes.
Mainstream politician ga arm group ka kamai le even including Su. Yam no ning di mo. I nice in a koi madness ka yo again. Deputy CM Amanan openly accused our in a group of that.
Yes. Deputy CM lo si diko na kene piyaw hana
so you have kene piyaw na another deputy CM ki kambu ne ba there are two deputy CMs one is accusing another never someone mamang da leba cabinet su cabinet misal ni juna sign tor ga Manipur to ga ni har to kaim to ngam da lei ne ba this cruel joke sidai sida BJP ki kambu sidai sida miyam ne sida lai hukun to jangak pam ne ba ye party ki nate party du orgati take action no Manipur to guy never cabinet means a hapsen thammy. Who is to put the shame and him tamaga amana mother accused or me life to sanalisa carino. What is that you guys are doing? Say, I think it's high time journalists come to civil side. I quite the dinner in the Tongsan, minion my Maggie politician, Marumda Lumagami, distraction, confusion, thrown by any issues. Akoi the now any critical issues and the clarity mapina bono the koi gumbaga say lak na lang na represent tawna bhot na mi lady ne bakha sumaina confusion chala le me amse clarity ma tok tok tam ta ya sini hujik chi deputy cm na call out tawram ni su ne ba adu su group se hujik you ne to nangi ground rules se kari no se review ta wai se tak da me for my part I'll be doing it no see accused horrible group se no ground rule or ga dina that must be taken into task I the Hana so have sue as a peaceful and a negotiate or any issue settled with the legitimate process never. Sue in itself to the problem that ever go. I know over the day.
Right.
But the problem is sue tamaga counter-insurgency ploy and season raga the nang objective to alak way not different right. That's unacceptable. And a shoot out the madam se karino so clarity sangi sigi moigi intention se karino je nangi sigi ground rule jaw to na sigi heinous crime the yawe haragadi the government of India must take action on this aduna ne khoi the blatant no na ya lai re ba aduna khoi miam sida confusion chali je kon ge din I think we should call it out I'm saying it nang lu jai bu question do Thuga again chalak pani major mover government of India ni fasad tamani PR pairing and then we handa han moina hirakan the sang manga mai ni ko CM na ka sai ngam bun nate moina control do bang manga ta ne se adu su ga si su moi manung da kari deal taw nari no sa ko di si re praja so se ne sin nang kai do ge ha no se justice must be done and globally there has to be known so akoi swai the swai ngang na phok tu nya ro be se akoi gu ai gu mang khatan na law ro su ya ro be se the parliament that's my job but I think mobilized of him sang eba in the international level also taw is kari no government of India see action to the press conferences so high ramne Delhi da see right to protection lai ni R2P ga ne UN court lai ni adu ai high ramne Manipur miam sina makeup to lak tan kam ho ngang is minor UN they approached already state na no Indian state na human right ngam jaga the UN must intervene and haida di akoi am thi kai ni India se na hai ram nei di see ki si nei da ka chai hum to rai se I think akoi si da lai bi ba mi sing sina we should not fight only here capital cities in the India tour sing the chat laga ko gi mobilize to ga Manipur ranks the government in dan to se kai no se ko expose over ma tau ta nata di moina mapan da lam na ba tribal masen pa kana bai tai u le ba adu na I na throughout my MP work position I have been saying this kamain to gan se government in India the government of India ne state government the government ja ta ngam du adu na I ko the sigi pak thu rei ba game plan sa it's Hana gi lies ma'am to expose on ba issue na pirakpun
ado zano sik thambi da su gi matang du da suspension of operation su si magi kenosis the objective si di am apha ma le no jan thambi ado hari ba suspension of operation si magi objective pha ba tar ga su magi hujik pha da phangi ba result hai tar Manipur miam na masikana bo idre miam da yam so e ha ba da gi su si abrogate to godong yana chaun demand to re tar madu demand gi makha sa thar ko ina 2024 gi February gi tang kun ga mapan sida koi kano tau rai tar assembly na masi abrogate tau basi center da takshan bahana abrogation tau na bagi damak ta warip se lawe madu abrogation tau na ba warip lawe center da takshan bahare madu gi onate na mata center na mamang jagi 2025 hai next year da 2024 da resolution lawe 2025 da center na hairi ba suspension operation chahi ama February September gi tang mari 2025 da chahi ama extend tau thore ha batare renew tau thore adu taragadi handak to very recently chief minister na phongdo ki basi koina assembly na bawa su se abrogate to na decision lawna ki bal lerabani adu center na masi mathau ta badagi adum thamjilai jani habagi helplessness hai tara amaju hai aduga tang mari da sign tawna ki September ki tang mari 25 da sign tawna ki ba su gi ground rules sing si kari no handak se ano revise to si ta kari yauri no have su miam gi mamang da lekte public domain da akoi phau da phangi su only one page ka front page da ngasai gi Manipur ki territory nga kani habsima aduga anoba koi negotiated political settlement ama tripartite talk ki khuthang da time bound manner da constitution India gi manung da phangnu hona gani habsima sikhak uhalle habatare aru tar ge ground rules su kari no khangre aduga ngasai abrogate to bio habda su toraktre aduna sigi su gi kana bas kari oiri gi khujik
ai hai di political aspirations demand like was a peaceful negotiation tawgadam ni khulai paira tawdong na ti haina tawraga khulai paibu lefal laga local da thamaga peaceful negotiation tawbugi intention is a legitimate democratic process da na sudo adugi framework to the yengadi kaide haibane baina but tawri dia sisna my khum moina season raga moigi clandestine operation tawna ba atopa motive am da season bagi pot ama gi mami chauna tare ba khang ba aduna ne ba ina su se ai khoi hujik amuk review to bom changne hai bane ba ko number 1 haidi mamang da nang aina haiba peaceful negotiation gi thambadu di kai di haibane ba but aina haibadi aduna mai khumuina season raga maning dana counter insurgency go season nari ra natraga ngasai gi agenda to break up Manipur gi thugaina ba season nari bra natraga mai magi sarkar ro leina hona bada akoi di haina na Manipur gi hill area sing sida di election na te selection ne haina na adu kan da season na ba thammi bra lot of things are happening asai positive oina uriba sugi reason do not behind that kari leri gi haiba simdi aikoina loina ngangna rakada bowane ba sigi basis e yenga de nang suji tamam tok treba eno dan nang papa su di maikhum oire ba ko second amaka haijau ge ba ko nam kan confuse pam le ba renew to ba matam cha tripartite agreement sidana state government na hen chaw ne ba ko even though nangi monitoring group ta yaujara ga so
yes
state na hanjan na moina ground rules se break up tawre na pukhalak pada yarak tragadi state government can always back out at the time of renewing it then automatically that shoe is gone
adugi provision ju hojik yaudra bazala sini
I am hydra
renew to
ana leram bi se more dangerous na third phase la ba hana ne center ya de khote da ai hai sin hana station nang na chahi khuding nang na sumaina sum renew to matam sida joint monitoring group that we have been placing this again and again akoi mi amatang or so ani ro so tari an sabdo amatang or ga su ko hanjan na haira du nangi agreement to yauri ne ba si kai gum tawrak ga di state government has a right to withdraw from the shoes a yawi ba nangi again hanai chida aduna nangi abrogate tawni center na yarakre do mawa lo de bai di nangi hana chigi se ground rules to ai ga matang da we are backing out from the agreement high target dina shoes automatically renew tawre ba sunga ye tab ka do bai no bi se yaw yaw na sum renew tawre mi se su lo thok ka ni su lo thok ko na party tu na law ga kai do bagi nang back out taw no ba throughout natra now last pass the kai were ga hujik lai ri sida de koi tripartite lai su khangdre
wari sana bada di ahum ki representative
yaw yaw ra hurali ne ba adu jadi kai do bogi se tholok tri no tripartite ga meno Manipur do yaw do no sign to bo matam da di president rule da di remember that governor se center na hapak por man so PR da di ma se state government ne ba
yes
he's not central government so any agreement said 1994 da ko ni em suna sign to ko le haba general na to it was not a union government state government never governor na sign to ga so and moina CPR the shoes sign to gi matam sa ai khaleba it's a tripartite way ne kai no the governor do na yawro magadi ma em su ma khai no na hujik talk se chume ba do nai se tripartite to ri da amuk har ke let's not assume che du uji gai di moi hum ding nang wai sa bo se ui ba ko how do they moi gi akoi gi CWC meeting na suna special invitees in ko we have me say adu mai na yaw ri da legal che da di state government se yaw da bra ha ba ma khoi khang ma thau tai ba ko adu na kari ge da nang gi hujiki state government na chali ba tok se or ga di makhoi ne hana Manipur macha moi na hana machin kang mom chang ba is it a tripartite talk
okay
sorry agreement not a talk
okay
no ina nan sign tawgi September gi sign tawri se
September mari gi se tripartite ba
agreement la traga bilateral la noi union government ga taw brahibam changne ba ko
okay
adu ga di state yawram ga di state should sandaki case su moi put up taw gadam ne ba it's a tough negotiation ne khange ba kai no khangra ngasai gi boss ki type ta leiram ni na in government state government je haijaram ngane ba khara de ko ai haina ta tam maring jen khabam change ba khoi adu walak pa de ne back 23 de kai rei ai khoi masen lek manar ma ngo pi azu pik na delhi na kai hum doi no any party je oizenu mogi state unit BJP ki state unit Congress ki unit state lai me am ki state ki unit me am nu rebel tawraga nang kai dona ba mula ka ba
right adu ja khuji phawda si September ki tang mari 2025 sida agreement se sign tawna uja sonda amuk chalas sign tawna ro matung da khuji phawda ahum lak tripartite talk se taw gre tripartite talks to bje ahan bai se 6 amadi 7 November 2025 ta dum tawe maduda tholaki bse yam chauna breaking news ogi ba hafta re maduda hai gi bse makoina union territory demand of matamda union territory gidu madu current policy does not support the creation of union territory ena media dari remain thon gi heptar national media me am su keri da hore leiti ena mai to udana lekanda handaki recently April ki ta kontra 2026 anuba state lenga se la ba matung da di ahan ba tripartite to oi duni aduga khoi gi interlocutors ju change tore ma gi jo ahan boi duni ek ya jilla na interlocutor or kan se da 30 April 2026 se da pangthok ki ba amuk tripartite meeting se da makon UT with legislative powers amka su injel hetar adu injel op matam da probably interlocutor to ahan ba oi bani na ma mun tare tar matung da masi higher authority da masi khangan ge na maina mogi demand je mai matak da khangan ge haiba gi wafum se pongdo ki hetar adon sida negotiated political settlement haiba wafum amang sa gi su gi agreement se yaw gi bje so negotiated political agreements e ko maina codify to duino masi chumnagi past participle amo ena negotiated when yang duri brantar ko mase pass when yang duri brantar past participle as an executive yang to mai yang ne already negotiated na hage duri
Raj, no. I think I can tie together. Every document tolak wada aina sunang suhana taramani ko. Kari wahai season agani
yes
karamba paragraph na mamang thangani kai se ai hanjan koi nahamani puna hating nam su aina Kashmir se Indiana Kashmir crisis hai moi gi draft na Pakistan pura pura Kashmiri conflict versus crisis tani General Musharraf ka Vajpayee ga agra to collapse over one of the reasons wahi dani adu maina moina season ko wahi se koi munna track to wam chang ne ba ko ai gi mon matuna di sigi nang na hai ba document da tholai ba wai ba ta hana da gi su always the door is not closed. Manipur ki territorial integrity na magi administrative and political integrity ni territorial khakta nate political and administrative integrity thuai bai basa mase thong je lonjandri bo si phau this word tells you very clearly
okay
nang lu zik territory kairo UT sema gadi territory kai ni sa koi na kawbom leba within the state create the way I mean constitution manungda legislative piraga
okay
a state within the state create the way I mean constitution da simam kya khangna da bani akoi na dai UT legislature already territory kai re ko moina political negotiation hai ku se territorial integrity di kai roi ara koi na re na UT se ma di kai tam ne na no legislative yaw bana within the territory of Manipur thamjan basu ya
okay
it's a very dangerous game that these people are playing. We should be alert. Example, Pigeko. Khasi Jaintia Garo se a state within the state Hananang legislation Taroka Pigram never before Meghalaya was created.
In the form of 6th schedule.
No. 6th schedule Katanata Banang is state within the state say. Sigi structures, if my memory serves me well, it is Article 244 Makadraganam saying given. Only unique case. State within the state.
Okay.
Adu do ha kona full fledged when on talk even 72 I think 69 that can go on if my memory serves me. And I conscious way of amount of race.
Okay.
I Manipur territory kaide and akoi oh to the UT had the close them the territory kaide and yauri benina. Kaide su yai kai na lerang whenever ko so hining the bani I harisine they have not closed sigi say short of the mukla ko ye thang ma sum yala lebido they have not closed this chapter
okay adu
sigi pot say kainuna su irama bani se nangi mizo accord su yawe ba se thong ji thingjin da bagi habit se we will negotiate later or agreed oibam da tausi khochi na tawraga sum hangdu othambase adu aikoi gi oina dina wa sengam aigi ama interview um levini 2015 da Rajya Sabha TV da panel amda ina hairam long time back framework agreement lorok ta ina haigi ba Delhi institution in wam ngang da pandam ne basaina Manipur is not a fish on a fishmonger's slab aigi emotion ngayom na ginupak ka lay nga daw na Manipur tawar kanoy I still stand by that ayoy na di come what may
okay
aduna sigi tawar iba provision ma'am say non negotiable ne ba koy gadi the administrative political and territorial integrity is non negotiable for us
okay
adu eragadi noina perpetual in the border state of India amada noina perpetual conflict onge anti India feelings hagaran ge amana pro India ne na machineries ki type sinar thaman somna noina game plan dirty tawgedi rest of the country must be told this game plan noina tawri se border sensitive state da unstable oiraga tawraga anti India feelings hagalalaga nangi thousands of layer of community mabuno in a box in tawraga prisoner in a thamni guy in a khanbadu deba don't do that you will be losing it world is fast changing dynamics ni tawrakanu in the interest of the nation Indian nation state ki interest yengaga Manipur da non communal peaceful integrated state amal lai bai basa this is in the interest of the Indian nation state
okay
we must tell this very clearly and aina changa isisu political platform the si khang ngang mangam change be bo
right
aduna ne aina moina hai se my conclusion is please alert oi bam changi thong lonjan da
bagi sign ne adu basi ki thong lonjan da sign se amukka hena reinforce to hai gadra koi ki February tang mari da anu bolangak la February ki tang ani gi chi ama koi thena jar hari chi si koi BJP center ki central BJP ki secretary ama kana thok bani secretary ki maming se Arun Singh adu man thok pachi si maruina deputy chief minister nemchakib gen da piba matam da Arun Singh national general secretary headquarter in charge BJP na chi is mong di ire chi iba matam se da kai hai matam in view of the present political situation the party proposes your induction into council of ministers as deputy chief minister of Manipur subject to your consent and constitutional formalities line hai re aru makha tar ko kai hai the party also reiterates that the cookie zone negotiated political solution sai hai gi akoi gi sugi kanu yaw gi batu agreement yaw gi ba the cookie zone negotiated political solution in line with the SU framework will remain a matter of utmost importance and dialogue will continue with all stakeholders hai gi wakhum se masi thajab piraga deputy CM gi proposal se torgo ma deputy CM orakhi hai ta adro sa gi sugi agreement the yaw gi negotiated political settlement do madu phanganu gi damak ta utmost importance pigine have gi thajab pir kanda ma deputy CM se pigi bnina aro huji deputy CM ani hapak pa chief minister amal lera kan se da huji mayam hainari se Manipur da masi khoi ozan already thambiri ba state within the state ki mong da same kano se government ki manung se da khoi gi kahta tongan ba deputy CM natraga leadership ahum thamaga mai magi territory si da thokpa changtok chen se tokba yadrabani na yahandrabani na masi control tong no gi damak mechanism already masi three nation ki type da split tawgi mapandi di kai da man manung da thugai bagi koi noba bon gi type ta tare noba se kar mapandi di kai da manung da pung
yes free and kai da ga manung kai bu
adumani yang gador ka yang bibi abra na traga mayam se amaga naga su ku mayam se aduka leirba community mayam se pula punjan biyan ga damakta yamna exemplary oi balenga ka masemak pani ani yang gador ka yang bi
cabinet ani ni akoina politics da khanga da ba ko all these politicians key players in the moi interest lai never hamba they often do this miyangi na moi tribe na takam ji maming da taw doine ba but they have their own personal dynamics also and abra
right
and ai gi Manipur da le minari be fruit charging like la shu ba na ron maru na moi dai haning ise sigi political gi material benefit ki negotiation on your behalf on in your name tawri ba noi naming da politicians in the Toriba game say, Slayminary by state in a communal basis that Wamata Mapunchi Chupa Santi Leroy. Within the Huzik labor conglomeration, Marxidas among split Lakini, Masemagi, peculiar nature of identity policy. Now, Huzik cookies always a Joe terminology, Yadaba Kamu, Yarakani, Karalega, Vesed. Toglays in Pakistan in the name of Muslim and Kaidu Ragava, Bengali, Urdu Gidam, or Segai in a region in Atro. Ha
yes
adigi Bengali the segai gi duna mo Hindu versus adigi sonange chakma ge tribe into khona reisi neba endless division nesidi pitrivina tambira baneba so Manipur gi leiriba forup cha irai cha sing naina appeal tawning badi ne ko exclusivist identity politics ta nakhoi gi naming da forup ki maming da tawriba political game mayam se si kaw go phatte ai koi loin sokani ai se adu khang da common basis samdai koi gi how to protect our dignity and well-being of each group. Aduna the decentralization, I have no problem. But that cannot be on the basis of communal identity that they are. India, state reorganization and the linguistic reorganization hai se CG report itself to superior. This should not be read as a one language, one state and one town in a cultural basis the Tauro Yaro India. Kai know that it will open a Pandora's box. India has to hire the community that why Manipur should be exception to that. India the communal basis the same way Yaro in a late way India na Kadobogi Manipur. India, I will pass the communal right. They talk to us about legacy lady and a throw Hindu Muslim gear. The state organization is a linguistic basis, the same and Hijabagi Wani report to the it should not be read as a one language, one state, Hybrid Pagano, a top of factor, Mam Yauri and Haide never. Language is one broad canvas and Manunga is also not one language. Nangi Tulu, speaker lady, Kannada state, Natra. There are so many other languages.
Right.
The government of India history Sagonaraba policy, the communal identity, the exclusivist, the Iran talk to na ihing na sadana partition to ini state na su tawro na lay na Manipur da tokam tokte ay koy go ina so political class high gera na taga prazan like la su na haron na any for sigi communal politics ya si sabatani huzik naga maitai nai kuki haramaga huzik amuk taw na sini everybody will get affected. Within this tribe also, they will have their own divisions. History will open up that. Aduna aikoigi karai the frame amma da aikoigi access to justice, access to material benefit, laitna aikoigi rights, nangi social, economic, political right mayam se kamai na negotiate aroga koi lemina gada gaise nuai ba common ground amma thiba se change ba.
Ozan common ground ki wahum se koi ngarang jenim se
matam so tai je aduna moina tawre ise. Ani thong yeng ba amadana ne political class ki on theme aga
okay
tawba elite level da
yes
but amagi level da nga sai elite sing na du mogi on personal benefit to amog vision ama sepi doiba masama akhoi gi community gi dam adu aina manungi political interest of the elite se su khangom to eva koi da aduna mana thare iba do I am pretty sure as a hardcore political party khamba
nungam na target ani
moina aseng gi themai du di key player du neba
okay
and abra ari ma gi so face saving oina na ba na cookie jogi maming da essential political actor non tawrai di interest of the politician du neba chithi dun to ido
yes
Amba, I remind you, Mamma face saving device when another noigi, they in a highway one ever come.
Nongthombam na target ani palan matter.
I'm so good to take them see them lay. I won't hear me, I learn, you know, Santilang would like to make to Mom and Kale. I didn't know it away. Okay, that was on a common ground. You walk Jetambi, Rojecti, Maitega, Kuki, class layer, Madagi, Nagakugi class, Sangdore. Sigi film set a common ground amma mathau tai no jana garang koi jenim se sapam matam da su ana bai hang sapam matam da su phongdu piki makhan da sapam matam da su phongdu piki hata adna common ground se hujik not only between naga ko gi natana maitai ga su punama ka hadi manipur kundari community me hujik common ground me mathau ta do ma koi differences ta yana focus torga madu the hatred se build wo ma la ta
nang I have problem tara de na Sigmund Freud ki a phrase ama aina season na bane ko narcissism of the small difference na a high concept Freud ki season raga genocide se explain ta hoye social scientist na the genocidal violence happened because of the narcissism of the small difference khena ba macha masa se de hena na puning changjan da ne ba mi communicate ni hatok na reis
aru sigi differences se differences se koi na blur chal laga koi focus tel hen ba bas common jo focus kamai
blur chalang ga dong late
blur chan for example aina khubak se yang matam da aina khubak ki khud mai ji yang matam oza je blur chale aru si power ga oza matam ai khosing blur chale hatar both exist ani mak se loi leibdi lei adu aina kanai da focus to boge habi matungina now ai oza di yengi ai oza lein aina khubak to yang matam oza je background di dum lei gre hatar but my focus is on my hand but when I want to see you when I want to look at you ai khosing blur chale blood cell have time sama tunda adabu khud sidhe dum lai rehta adana kamai torga khoi sigi perspective hai ka koi miyang se outlook se kamai na ship torga common ground se build to ya ga ta masi khoi miyang gi thawo ge dori bra kana gi thawo ge dori
leaders ki ne basically
okay
adun leaders wa ge division yaw ga dum hainai dana koi the program tare se aina sunan meeting da ngang ai di mo soidena sangak pne ai je reluctant politician punsida how the responsibility im logen changak pa ne upai le ta yenga ma pansum le ga chum mai bi dong na hai sum cha ke de kadai bo pet key player in a yaw bren changak pa ne ba so you need vision ko hai nei dana
a politician thinks for the next election, whereas a statesman thinks for the next generation.
Right.
Say aina aramam somerendro gi memorial lecture han ngarang ju jun 10 dani ani bungi keno se ko aina han jeng kan da khoi se hanura boi ninge ba 26th anniversary nen thare ba moi ginan Rasmi Goswami nam pi le me ba ko
Memorial lecture.
ya nam da pi gi da am chung kui ra ran kale the first memorial lecture ja aina pi ba ko adaina Manipur se kamaina wholesome holistic amu oi ba ya na ba gi vision na maina da I ra ba one vision.
Okay.
Holistic and wholesome adi fractured with the fragmented or na vision nama change bako anang ujai za ina ha makitang correct tong ngam lei le bako ina nangi differences sing se deny to have na table we acknowledge and we even celebrate kamba
Right.
so akoi modern politics hai za differences should be acknowledged and celebrate yanda aduga differences should not come in the way of our well-being Yandabra. Adu kanda the differences will become problem. So differences the blur hendo na te. Say I liang mai gi dress, kabui gi dress, ha, I gi anal gi dress, maring gi dress like na ko. Yeng bodan nungai ba. It's very colorful. I jagoi mak ta sari gi channa bi da su nung sinung ba phagi mak ta su nuan sa lei ba ko. But akoi ga khena ba ina ngang ba ga moi na ngang ba khena ba su lei na ko. So we celebrate.
Adugi koi differences ti adum handagi celebrate toro lakpo male ta.
Kana hensel ini. Aina hajare dina. Differences would even include aspirational differences.
Okay.
Masa masu sina amana doctor oininge amana engineer oise na samar to the different aspiration lakane ba.
Separate homeland ki aspiration lakane.
Adu ne har ka to sin. Ai adu na nai na sai the differences sing je karino ne yenga da ne ba ko number 1. Just give me 1 or 2 minutes because you are asking a very critical question. Way forward ne amang hari se. Akoi that's why confusion tele na jai jina differences must be acknowledged and celebrated. So differences is karam kanda problem where kanya kanda collective well-being the solar kanda the madugi difference so we need to moderate. Adugi differences so na ko ki collective well-being se see the solar trigai di it must allow to flourish. Adu ja ina mus hoji haijare ina dress ki wangang sangang gi dena tana aspiration so difference leba yae.
Yes.
Yanda bra. Adu differences se kadai da renegotiate tawgadege du ne ba democracy is the powerful means to resolve differences. Magi hallmark ti du ne ba. How to manage differences ne ba. There's another way of managing differences. Annihilate the entire differences. Fruit kena ra hatu olo na ma genocide to hai ba ma. Na tragana adu gi ideology da bra nam dagi ba ma.
Yes.
But wall the adu di Nazi in Toro Miduni, the world, modern world, the negotiated settle. Aduna bu you inform Toro ini. How to resolve differences. Natra.
Right.
Aduna Sigi Minsilla Kanda. Third and I'm hiding Bamana. I quickly many of the aspirations there. Kadai, you know, say for example, Kadobogi separate administration Pamino. Oh, Shaktung Fidung dere. Access to the wealth and facility haigada social goods agi kaidi phangdri hairadi separate administration do later vida adu phangan ba yadra ba ina migi world gi peace negotiation gi framework ne bese nangi endo karino ba nangi peace nang separate mission pa me bogi enje magi enam leini na goal se karino ba adu means oiraga di same goal do phangada oiraga di adu tawdu yai adu na ne decentralizations goods and services of the state se phangaga isa isu bhajana larik tamna leiba izat leina respect leina na amaga handana yengna na vida leibagi target to tana na ba system ama akoina semba da leibana phabra na traga sumaina mu hatu na makam kak longandim thong khanaraga sumleraga lambi muk thingjan lari muk tau ya da gum tau sigi chaotic oi besa is it what is good for you or good for us I don't know I'm boldly saying when I say let's stay together Manipur gi integrity musungak si khose haibasa I am not asking you a favor maitai the favor to bonate maitai nang ko tamda it's good for each one of us adu realize tawam dadana nga ki benefit lang na banga sai ga ina ba key player elite sing ina manipulate tawra sat lai be ne ba koi tawri problem che chum na guide tor ko common na mala kan da kadai da na ta di uzai ni hidak phang da bai wari angang school ka bangam dri economic crisis unemployment problems bu nang maitai ka ta sok ne loi cho ini health phang the facility phang loi cho ko do ini natra the mui bam lei da no han da ne yeng ko it's a hard it's a politics of recognition ka we ko na ko you know the fazan recognize
한다는 영국의 마당에서 아코이 마니푸이 우장 후지 탐 하이비키보다 거기 differences celebrate 동미나 봐 해봤다 거기 미점기 레벨도 하고 동미나 봐 따라서 이번 미점기 마르도 하고서 후지 하리세 우장에서 탐이기 뭐 거기 aspirational 뭐이나 파미바 facilities 마ям도 방한 따라가디 뭐기 aspiration도 로인 방한 따라가디 पुनः लेमिना ब यानी है बुगी वहमदुरा हुजिक एस्पिरेशन मोइना पामिदु फैसिलिटी म्यामदु फंगनगदुरिबा रूल तगदुरिबा मीसिंग से मेजॉरिटी मीसिंग से मैतेन ओइबनिना मैतै सिना डोमिनेंट सोसाइटी डोमिनेंट कम्युनिटी मोयरे मोखि हेजिमोनी अमा डोमिनेंस अम लेरे अदर मोइ मखाददि खोइ सुंगै लेरो हैबगी मसि इसिगी कहतारे मियंग अमसु अबाइद लेबा माने अदु लेरिङैदि खोइ सेलिब्रेट तौ यादरे
no it is a suspicion this is a number 1 government of Manipur is not a Meitei government
right
now is the haisina khoi gi 20 car sidana kom yauri bravo
yaudre
chiru yaw bravo sida anal yauri bravo adudi nang adudi kadu haidri ba we can't live under the tangkuls we can't live under the kari hainya maring we can't live under the paiti na taunara di chura champur da represent or be MLA do
yes
he doesn't represent his tribe
yes
chura champur na lady constituency the lady tribe for the citizenship ki represent that is called in India that they do never communal representation na tenangi 1932 da do Ambedkar ka Gandhi pe kain ta udar langraba whenever there can be no communal representation in this country
exactly
natra Indian constitution ja sigi government se Meitei representation na te base adu khoi ni yenga do di policy da tawra du neba accusation la idi Meitei they have no favor to what practice am lai sineba
yes
adu I have tried as a teachers as a so called small time activism and a so called intellectual sarkar da lobby tawni chachar committee gi maina ungta thidoksi actual differential development sir karino karai the full sing se khena ra no reason na karino chumthong ram sin je sa I have been pushing it government after government hujik wise hujik direct europe nina next government say this will be one of my pressing point for my party that we must form a objective assessment pangang nang communal politics over the na so number 1 I know sizer is a one jage ko India the communal representation leite Meitei na te lebe government is the government of Manipur
right
natra India the communal representation akoi de yang agno nang sik leba chora chamber the kariba mise he doesn't represent his tribe
exactly
natra paite wifi dagi nangi
at least smaller tribes in the
no loin lady ni
ralte simte sukte lady apik
ai chura chamber take an example chura chamber the is a wifi lady nangi natra paite lady thadou lady natra MLA se tangkhai na wifi webra tangkhai na ko webra ma tribe am the belong to ne natra is he representing his tribe
right
no he's representing Churachandpur as a constituency
right
adumana mathau tor po matam da my tribe support or this is a problematic part adumana ko su lei bun tam da kariguma lei raga that is wrong ai mai tor sa adu la le har kaneba natra adu sigi system no the communal representation gi type ta na false jam sandwe raja khoi Manipur se inform oi da bani yamna pangang ngang na bai type example am haider ke bo pangang ngang na bai example India ki constitution ki matung in 1961 ki census ta base auraga proportional representation tribal ki sitra ma pan khai ineba assembly da kai gino khang sa 71 ki December da state organization pass aure parliament ta 72 ki January da sangari natra
yes
matam da available census data se karino ba 1961 eba 61 gi yengan da total tribal gi proportion se roughly around 31% muk leba the population of SC ngasi de when suspect or say 44-5 year mani hai neba Meitei gi population handara ine bra sigi 31% se 60 gi 31% se kaya no hola ka de neba 19 seat reserve tawri se is across the country neba 45-47 ST ki nangi MP lady jisu 8% never total proportion 8% of the population in this country scheduled tribe weba adumaina 545 ki percentage hoto ga never nang huzik ST reserve khaise parliament si chukhang khang da barana traga pangang bi type ta 50-50 yana se hainga mai neba Manipur se adu sign tawda IS officers yokala inemi mo se akoi Manipur de pangang na bam taw any topic ta kitang chum tho re na ma na kari khang na ngang su yaw ye ngonda kitang chum tho su adam na du si kang si mai ngang i ba India ki constitution dai semak pa mi gi proportional representation du bu 50-50 wan se nang angang ta do na da mi lak tin be yaro do wa ne ba do ai hai se adu mai na ngasai gi suspicion na mi cham praja se wena la na sandok ton mai tai na dominate taw re ada taw re thamoi sing na antana long vision jaw go leader or ma ba any full position over akoi se kamai taw na taw gani ma se kamai chum thok na press taw ne ba adu taw re ba moi pa mi se delhi ga direct dan pirak pado elite amana mu walking mane ba akoi hum oi miner de mo delhi de tharok te yena da yad re da na
right
aina tonga na mai gi mim torga gi su separate administration tal de ai elite aina kana taw re de thadar te nu okpra prajai maming sin na be wane ba du phangna ba elite game ethnic conflict tam ba ko na theory tam instrumental theory of ethnic conflict nang Paul Brasky like yeng de
right
adu ne Manipur taw se adu na nai he irang hogol ko tam da jantar mantar da ngam da don't blame the entire community blame their elites and their divisive politics right akoi na pra community level da sagai na ga mi na divide and rule do na koi no na auction gi ba gi ne bo da sa ta
okay I am interesting we ba paw ma ta very recently we parliamentary committee uza yaw ba tar parliamentary committee of education women children youths and sports we chaired by Digvijay Singh uza se member we sigi members ki 379 reports ina ministry da recommend to we additional funding for food shelter health psychosocial support akoi IDP sing mayam sing relief camp dele mayam sing si Manipur gi additional fund thada bi haidana report am submit to gre abi yam ngai ba pawam la hetare uza su member of ne uza gi am saw ba du su contribution so de ngani khanje
ni na di credit lau ge har kan
no credit ki ta ba question je kitang ena tweak tak jadai sina smai to uza na tongan ba committee de yauraga Manipur da kalai phawa tongan ba lam da peace building da boiro na traga IDP sing gi boiro masida mainstream taruna ba jana changjin biri se smai to uza na sai thambi khri ba re hau ki ba chahi ahum se uza na akoi gi SKTV su obia to pan state ki media obia national media ra thambi mayam sing se house su mayam pu thopi ki ba dile re adu ba gi personally hai tare mamang do so inu uza happy hangjagi male if prime minister ki meeting ama uza na keno da uza gi wa do yam influencing su oini keno da uza MP ni adana lok sabha gi MP ama oina adu su Manipur de la crisis chahi hum le ba asidagi lakpa MP ama na parliament ngam matam da koi Manipur myam khakta na tana india da le myam sing sina madu touch to bangam mi connect to bangam mi hatare similarly if you go to PMO da sala uza unata ragadi madu gi am chawbo effect ama prime minister gi level dagi natra policy level dagi khara lakar ha bagi wang dun hatare kamai thami bi
normal political culture leading ai de ya ba za ni madu aina wa kida tam se aina CSDS aina JNU join to the research institute and then faculty willing the thesis samala ai ko changing nature of Indian parliament and compositions ama Nehru matam da di ko cinema Friday gi opening gi type ko parliament session je ticket ngai ne ye ba ticket ngai ba di yeng doge quality of debate ai manung changa haining de I what I see inside the parliament today ko adi ki thesis amai chai tang akun ma u gi ko adi matam da standing committee ga something powerful era me ko matam am da in ta bani ko senior MP sing ge quite the voice was technically legally standing committee sine ba akoi nang hai je recommendation ka we sa action taken report enama pirakhine ba
tawraba tawdribra ha
mathang main report ko tawdra ka so mung tak ke we tawdri no so adu bi report se parliament place tawdri ngai de disclose taw ya de banang phangi do ai ne yaw committee da khara chakram ne recommendation ko akoi Manipur gi oina specific nang hai so amane IDP gi ko adu aina tab da ne masi sarkar se kya tawdi hai lai thu ga re question khang hang kan da sune hana tawram da ai question ming velote tawraga home ministry relevant oi ma mi da lauthore ine ba question ai ngon da ngang manoi TV da ga tholaga ma du hang ba ya da ba kai ma khangau drama ne ba home minister da hang ba question da maming yaura ga question hang ma matam da lauthore ine ba Manipur da kana ne ibi gi gene ozabi mo lai bani paper da khoi gi MP na hange na taw da maming belo jor ma lok thoi se na issue oi bra na du na ga min ja ju khange ma ni praja no sinu pa se panga ngang ba ni kana ju kai taw ro ang chak ki dem se
question loktora ini dana ko so nang na haibu question ja ai no background nang people ani what kind of political culture we are exina ko ge ngarang Rahul ji ngai do you think that next election je biggest challenge in laura din hanman India block ngang do that's very inspiring
okay
the biggest challenge is to win election and moi nang mamta hoi ko ngang hoi do is a wrong framing. We must change our thinking mode into resistance. I get around space out magi birthday they now. Manipur the su pesa quite by me na board car then whole you are wrong. Rahulji has flagged it up now. I could use low double more check resistance. Manipur Chugai get already by Indian constitution chana 100%. Sigi resistance to Wom Changi, a koi party say Madu little Wom Changi as
okay
we should not election command kaga then we say it will be byproduct of this being a part of resistance the album chang was Manipur Chugai get ox the much constitution the minor hypes the minor chang so you got my answer.
Yes.
If normal culture or Madiba, I would have written a letter requested Home Minister it is a yamikai. But the moment the Nakarsi Halami Hai Congress na paying at the Florida put up a bill say 80% of the bill went through the standing committees. Huzina na 80% rely without discussion. Now, a so down lowering at the moment except pass pang tau the toy without the levels. So parliamentary system has a kangkong side of never. So you know my answer to your question.
okay aduga sonda chaminare chesa aduga 우사기
난 이제 스튜디오 떠오는 lungai cha thak su phangis
시리즈 방안이 오자 아도자 우자 한번 락는 게 우지기 우자는 일렉션 기 레시스트 오브기 와품 마탕 비바 마탕 저기다 거기 일렉션 기 마탐디 따라바니 마탕 저기 2027 기 페브루아리 마르치도 좀 방토가 락바니 아두 한다 기시 강커드라 땡다가드라 타오로이드라 하버기 징나바 아마기 마락세다 마니푸르기 미암나 일렉션 기 담막다 particularly 거기 intending candidate 아마 마루이나 후지기 자히 홍기 크라이시스다 레시스트 오바 아르고 아코이나 change 뭐 프록타바 야드레 하이나 칸반 하마 야마무수 거기 politics 다 야우다바 야드레 그 politics 다 야우드라가디 아코이나 좀 독지 하라 아코이나 야우드나 레르가디 야로이 하드나 맘 톨레 하다레 아두 마시다 거기 아무수 debate tum lai 거기 national party and regional party ki sum yam lai ri aduna secondary warga primarily handa ki 2027 ki election se pangthok targa di magi matam du da masina hujik lai ba crisis se gi yam chauba way forward amoina masi solution borong na vilambi amoini yang biar ko matam bi
ai number 1 lang yam matang chana nga ino am chaksari se ai am chai se ko we need young blood in politics ado young blood ni changak pagi meaning ama lege dab ne ba young blood ne ha all political culture dura laga di yarol laina mi ga na ba da mateng pangsa lambi jingle laisa lambi wheelchair pisal lambi ai gum bi ko bo lep turam ne ta ga young or ga sunang tawri du kai tare du you are not doing anything
yes
political culture second nangi ideological clarity mi yaw dam ne ba ai ne yaw ri party se kari gi no nang reason I have given why I joined Congress many times clearly stated aina reason pigre bai ko ar mind of nang na yaw party da party x ta mu yawram adagi c da mu ticket kanaram y da mu sangak tawla chong lak pa se na ha ga su I think I you oina din ko kari no sibo ma sibo election cunning bagi man mam yaw bra ideological criteria no this party I see the untouchable ne you oina di I can't go here
okay
I'm joining this. I'm going to fight it out through this. Yarakta ba ige jana do yarakta kana di I can cut it off. Na tra adu na tana thani mong le am dong chong sa pal sa youth or ga so idea I'll think 1,000 times. Third, yam na anti rhetoric the community ki against ngang ga na taga Indian state ki against rhetoric the people ki emotion da sana da sanga da na you must have a vision tawriba problem sa kaino kadai da kaino ne na adu gi clarity changak pa matam da tina that kind of politician is required not simply young
okay
ai ju young na te kaino mayam na ha male hai bani
yes
clarity ma change be mo political clarity, ideological clarity, aduga capacity for sacrifice. Kahaudragasu, I am part of the movement in a this organization is my platform to fight it out. Aigi masigi party sida yauraga aigi tawdur bethabok se ithog je pangthok ke politics se tawge na changkadam neba. Natra sigi clarity yawa mi ma sa po mathok ta simnagi nahanati. Aduna
Miam the Swain appeal to there is a Nahani, Aduni kind of Pongto, track record young view, ideological clarity, Labor Mapuchin, Chingma, Mambri young view, X the Muyorum, Y the Muyorum, T the Muyorum, Tolga, Ramai say, the rhetoric the Chalila. Mean pang the Wakara, Nang, Ranatraga, Cam clarity later, but Mino, at the Hanagi type the Pasai and Cotton Tori, Kambura, Sigi clarity in a Chayan Kai Wagera, Humpu,
okay
Chung over.
right
We need fresh, I say. Fresh
happening only youth katang happen at the head
you turn up my take, so I never mind the sick clarity out the demo. Angang my Basara Mangtalian and my take the Apollo Sulane, Adu Tato. We need experienced people, negotiation over the Gimi Layako. I call Babu Ziktamini. I'm learning.
right
Gimicham and a minute, I know I got things sounding, so slowly I'm learning how to deal with it. A long time back in a volleyball trigger, one thing I've taken is I never took things personally. Enemy missing angle like any kind of Hijalakini, a character assassination, Tonaba, Mitolakini, a political thing, I'm seeing this already. Theory, the palm, those I'm handling it. I don't know, sometime no one's know my way. Potani, phone room, Tamani Manga, the kind of level. Not a Kanamaga, Okata unconscious or you constantly think about it. Now I'm learning how to deal with this.
Okay.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
Politics,
politics the fresh.
It's not easy.
Politics se arai badina te aduna fresh mayamama sang matam tai fresh sing sing thina
I'm a theology. Amuk Rahul Thagal
habi
easy way but say Rahul Gandhi ya pasabam le mana. Angam na IIT da kanu hangak paneba. Na politics sang oba. But politics kaina khanga sang wai mana. There are two kinds of politics hai mana ko.
okay
Ma ai ni kon nasagi lanthum paisana ba kai material benefit phangna ba du tawga du phangna loi re na chatla ba. Adu itai de aina phangdoi de nang natung nang napkani ai gi makha le ma nang natung nang napsala su ya baina adu phangna ba di am easy way bane du sine ba adu ga principal ground am changa ga nang gi political project am changa ba ko ma have it's not easy, it's tough, very tough. And a karam makhan gi politics to ba changa ino do adu khalu have ai gi oina di am nung in ma ngang i wa do class attack in the labor politics is vocation in Malay go except for my weber ya a my politician makan an issue have one those politicians who live for politics live for politics amana politician who live off politics o double f amana karamano the live for politician amagi principle ideology agenda ma toraga politics ki platform de adu tawna ban changak politician amana material benefit la have ko akhoi babu jik lambi chapda kha chun chapda free kha ka phangai na airport kha theng chalu jare these are material benefit sidhen ba kangum na nang khang na paisa am pai jin na sigi material benefit cha masigi damak tal lai ba politician chu lai ba weber na mo juna politician live up ainu wangang yaw ramni Manipur na dasa tari cha live of politician ni masing ni man gi tawin heba
live off politician ata ma gi khudong cha pa phang pusi gi nungar ba tare adu gi nungar padra masing helak pa and probably nungar padra hela abni na ma ju mathang mathang tam ama dagi ani dagi hum jan jan kan horak pa it means live up to na maram oiraga kan mo horak na maram oiraga thadon ngak ta ba tare ja adu makha ta na adum leitar lesson ba lesson lagadi ngasai gi politics to mola ni corrupted orani and probably mandro ve court to kanagi no dikhangre ko gi diaper amadi politicians sing si to influence the godabani reason animagi chamani mosalakani
I think that is why American president term anirakting kahandri se vested entrance la kane ba ko aji waiver sai ba ani si conflict tol kane na ko but I know nam hiding is handak ki matang si dadina humpu mo na tra suna na man kan mangjari se I had nit hai ge it on the lonely feel the way I had is we need some fresh committed politician mari mangatang thon biba who has that gut and commitment adu itadi mathang ge assembly sa yang khai mari na pumra suna moi homari khatang sang padana lan taw ya ne ba
okay
and live for politics mathau ta hai
live for politics mathau tai adu mami jo sang en khala ju ja adu sang taraga su ngasai gi khoi gi candidate apha sang e apha makhal gi bridge sang e and probably handa kisidi adu ma guts yaw ba fire yaw ba mayam ma zil yaw mayam sang pogi mami ju ta hetar ja adubu again akoina afaba candidates kana kana no khandokadamne aduga moisi kahana honagadamni politics pusan honagadamni di hairi adugi ona denabadamu akoi ji akoi SIR nam tori SIR sida hairi si maral series akogi election dana koi candidate khalli SIR sina voter khalle kana na voter oigada ge ase khandokpagi process na aduna wari mdi ore adu har manu mongda akogi voters su masai guts yawa zil leiba kano hai ga sagi leba ke damak torge not for magi benefit kharge damakta natab candidate phaba khanna ge damakta su khogi kano si su mathok ta dabra sin afaba voters
educated
afaba candidate and afaba voters
again I was our beginning ko habit se huji same essay to dana
yes
waiver na kai ko khamba koi sina professional politician ka waiver adu man ga sai live for and live off politician ani tu ai ne du nungda hai de 24/7 na koi di miyam ge thabok to tawra decision making process yaw le ram na ai hai sin ayuk te nungang ba committee meeting yaw ga se chuk chuk ta na report ma pa da yaw ko adu akoi ji habit lai tamna Eta yoksal laga par ga question man to isin to ba. Some people get raised 2-3 question aram se tum laiba mi siyo ba parliament. I di session lak tring da 1 month ko preparation to re ne ba sikai de la ino du che du thiro du par ga ko. Armain to da na professional politicians sing di ma 24/7 je du work to lai du ne. Mayam noi bam ha democracy da di. Misam praja sing je he called them as occasional politician. Karam kanda hai gada vote hada ba matam do they are politicians because they are taking part in decision making process yauri ne ba ko in khali je chumi ra khanda adula ne despite being part of political party jo ai na nam ngang sum taw ba vote mam yang ngang ne ba chen sum taw kan se thai ne de ge na PCRM torom to kham ra the same because my target is people say awaken to mam chang he ba se despite me being on I just party yaw me party se ki win tawra the I sparrow influence oi dini na I the party ka na sing ne and there ba because this is where I can influence the government BJP na pai ka na kai influence au no
but the outlook of the national political parties
no,
BJP or INC is another sin
who what is a national party
towards Manipur
what is a national party Kerala give me mana general secretary ni Congress
okay
atra mayam da lo pot ni dana adu national ki interest da ai khoi ki voice chang da bagi ne be mo national party ai je nang na
okay
politics se koi na political science am sa tam no ba is a site of contestation have never political sphere any sphere in political sphere government contestation akta ne government je homogeneous na te ba I'll give you a classic example Anthony akoi ki Congress ki na defense minister in the Chidambaram na home minister hoeba Jiban Reddy committee matam da they are part of the same cabinet natra Chidambaram calls AFSPA as a obnoxious act ne hai ne system do kadam ni lok to kadam na ta emen taw dong ne tak lai ne ba home minister took that position defense minister say no we can't dilute it same government the two ministries were and so politics is a site of contestation never the same thing happen in the party as well every party has a contestation
okay
adumai to da na sigi contestations the nangi regional interest and high state interest in bangamba machang you can't abandon after all haing sakar pa ka du national government ni natra party du na pa ka du ne bana man le tawraga adu gi spare du da nangi mi lei bravo bureaucracy da nangi mi lei bravo to mind to na it's a wrong idea that you abandon to the university it's a spare influence on hona ga da bane ba and koi na regionalism ngang bai sing nang hangak tro so hayo ge nang haira mi ze matem pala mi na regional party aisa India da si ma ge si mid 80s adai de ge koi na a coalition government is here to stay ga in tawre eva ko but that picture is changing in the last two BJP has become the giant which loi ta thok re ba ma cham mam chang ga si sena pulu ba toire mufti ki toire Kashmir da Assam ga na parisat toire na sa mo ga pulu ba region sa se high homogeneous hegemonic dominant over the BJP ki ideology sinu over ne ba cha sa lai ne ba ko aduna regional I say India da lai ne di hare ga chu sidare si mo over number 1 2 every regional party in India sa are culmination or the product of a movement ko Hindu Muslim kan takhulok ta Sikh khoi ki kamai lai le de ki tholak ki ba akali dan ni Dravistan movement na periya na lit from the DMK confection troganda AIDMK lakrini. Assam agitation dagi lakiba movement ni nangi AGP. Manipur si nangi regional party no huje manga taruk thole chu karama movement gi product nova. And how come there regional haga 6-7 thole chu kamai thole. So you should understand. I believe in what Lenin once said. Port number analysis of the don't do abstract level tawano. Concrete analysis of the concrete condition hai man.
Adubu magi same state tugi manung da hadi national party tugi magi regional part hai tare. Madugi manung da leisure mayam dung aduna magi regional gi aspiration gi matungina independently decision log driba karino. Hai bi hum dune keno da matugi classic example INC ju huji thangna je hai tare. Congress ke koi MP se Manipur Pradesh Congress committee hoji koi gi MLA ji manga le hai tare. Manga jida CLP koi legislative party ki losing bese kanano hoige de CLP se kanano hoige de moi manga na khanja ga dausi AICC na masi khallaga che thole hai tare adu ko president kana hoge de election to hota adai khala thore adu tar ga di koi gi state to gi ma state to the luxury ba koi magi party members hai tare madu gi liberty lai tar ga di koi na national party to yaur gi kari want to clear
ai kam hai jake dang specific case am pala ni na ko asigi case chu consultative process yaw dam ne da ha padi high command ha pe ko but you consult them.
Yes, exactly. Adu high command culture is Manipur.
No, high command ni every party will have a high command.
Yes. If the high command is in Manipur itself.
Adu the ne ai na sa adu gi amusu yung the other side. Nangi high command so akoi ni influence sa madi. Say for example, akoi na one of the most powerful magi personal opinion ma Twitter da hakale. It was party MPCC which forced them. I went and talked to the president. Bimol ganang chidambarang ngadi mo sini dana. Akoi gi MPCC gi pabung ibobi mo myam la so sign do thagal ni. So I went met the president and we negotiated and I said no, this is not done. It takes time. Argue talk down ka da very move. Adu gi sphere of influence de hai se. Sphere of contestation da influence ngam da na kira chela kai to de. Si hai de ai World Cup san do so pudi mo koi na ngam da so ai de club sam sa khong ai na kaw ge gum ne de. Ai na ngam mi khom ka san da je de ya ro ba.
Okay.
We live in India. Natra. Indian politics ne yaw resi national government influence over the every party da nang mi levam to every. And you should have that capacity too. Adu ai na regional legano haibnati. Tauri ba mong se yeng mo haibani. End product of a movement sunate vote maya da ba mushrooming of regional party ara di mo hayeng national party lei na labra banoi. Miyam ngi haki utchai raga.
No, physically, Manipur crisis. They am ba tholok male.
I know why you have 6-7 of them.
Okay.
Adu resistance. We fight against this Manipur. Is ngangi tamuran jit ngangi natro.
Okay.
Akoi na tauri ba pochida resist over the yauri natro koi. Are we anything different from music regional party to karangang kem to ngone da thole missing to the jongta. Kana chakar ge yeng over resistance ke momento ai je mo yaw de ai je kainu pusala je mo dan na yeng mai na te ai ai de genuinely thola ka de ba I'll respect adu tau ge ka noi amani chongthor ka de mo ta certain movement nam tor ka tholak por ma di I would have respected far more and the vote my as there is the nanga yeng ticket chona phangau chongzela because they all want Congress ticket many of them now BJP yaroi kai na hai bagia adu sona kan da Congress da mi anium lep ya bran ne kendram da Congress candidate yaroi duna Raj
right
sabna tro mamang da BJP da koi tan tan mi mayam no chungthon chungla to party tholoi na tro so this is hardcore politics but I'm not against the idea of regional party but I said it has to be backed up by historical condition adu nata na ngaki khudong chabalong no tholok party ni kana de si tholoi ba mayam sai hai jeni na adu ki type di tokbe rakanu Tolo ke hara gadi na taruk tere tong ta negotiate oro no pun me yabrong ti yong ai ne but I'm saying it as a congressman I'll fight it out through my party I Manipuri interest I'll fight it through in a national congress you fight for Manipur if you are a BJP guy please fight it but you guys are not doing anything as concretely as I can see regional semi bisina mayam so fight it out through a party aduga sigi coordination committee ma seme ko coordination committee ji nong ni so kan coordination committee ani mong thole ba coordination committee A coordination committee na ani thorga adu ki coordination committee sum coordination committee se me bim de tor anu aveni da ya de clear cut oina noi tawge ga movement nam tawbiro thopiro. Let's see. I go in the personal opinion to tell you very honestly. Hangoi dong no kochong chong lo un panti ideological commitment and certain agenda ya me party amagi limitation magi gari haini strength and weakness laini I want this laini adu mai am do color kanda. This is my platform to fight it out. You know that I am struggling against a larger forces which I need a larger platform to fight it out. That's why I am in the National Congress.
Oza wai sanagada bdi am leiri hai tare adu matam yamna henjang grabna maram oiraga oza gi sa topa topic thor mayam leibani na aru is a lighter note ta hai tare in the lighter vein oza daina laksani si lakliba tangkun ga bangsi tangkun leire june gi tangkun manga jeta oza gi akoi wasak lawgiba as an MP amoina sahi ani phadu aduna formally MP oiba sahi ani phadu hai tare adu su leire aduga ai huzik thalo nijing ai je khoi NPP gi national president Conrad Sangma masu parliament phajana lerami lok sabha da very vocal yam phajana wanga ba
Is a good one.
aduma huzik halaga state ki politics laga as chief minister amoina ma yam kana state ki damakta tawri hai tar so many people I sum online da ke da thengna da ojabi molsu la iba 2027 da ai di state politics ta lakpagi apamba lei bibra miam na pamba di maina hyper lei ba mal hai ta loina mak na tragas miu khara di admai pamba lei ojagi onati kari opinion lei
They say the politics is art of possible, but as of now, I huzi ko ina de I changwa. But party na hire ko na traga circumstances traga changwan pudi khangde. But right now, my task is cut off. My job is as a parliamentarian, I have to do certain things. But politics, you can't predict anything.
Okay. Kari orakati have the having amdri du wazagi onati committed oina huzik laiba role si ningthina mapung phana pangthokhi gani have you hamduni sanaga da wari myam laibani adu matungi tanjam do jaga wari sajari hatare elephant in the room ga myam le hori hatare am the tas tak jadre because we are running out of time aduna janga si ondi mata chalo sinjar ku ja koi gi Santos Electronics ki maike de yam chamba ge phamta matang jada khol tam de thank you so much
Thank you. Asadi pisan tu na.
so idna ja Lorna yamgi pono musa aroi thaga chapanok chari SKTV se Manipur miyam gi khonjel nei Manipur miyam gi voice nei expression nei this is the expression of the people of Manipur and the state Manipur so when you watch SKTV when you support SKTV you are fundamentally when you watch SKTV you are fundamentally supporting the people of Manipur and the state Manipur so keep supporting Manipur keep watching SKTV thank you so much khurumjari
Lengsin biro Santos Electronics singjamai leksang them lekai
Yunggi home appliance sing da natana Luhong bada sang da bayadraba yumamagi makup mata sing da natana Washing machine freeze TV na singba electronic items sing wholesale rate ta phangan baga loinana adong yumda home delivery khudong chaw su pijari
Santos Electronics singjamai leksang them lekai da adom gi yumda changdraba yadraba potlam sing amadi angangi sanapot makhal suna phanganjari
adong na kariguma mobile ma mathau taraba mobile ma anobo leibi ge na khanbiraba adoiba tarabadi Santos Electronics singjamai leksang them lekai miyam gi damukta thonglaw na hangdon leiri makhal khudimaki mobile khudimak phungbigani adu su kariguma adomna loan oine EMI da thibiraga lobi ge harbasu loan gi khudong sabasu pijari
Santos Electronics singjamai leksang them lekai